Ever been told you sound like a chainsaw at night? Yeah, you're not alone. Snoring happens when the airflow through your nose or throat gets partially blocked during sleep. As we snooze, the muscles in our throat relax. Too much relaxation? That's when the airway narrows. And as air pushes through that tight space, the soft tissues vibrate, creating that oh-so-lovely snoring sound. But wait, what makes it worse? Sleeping on your back, stuffy nose, a glass of wine, or even a thicker neck can all crank up the volume. Good news? Small changes like sleeping on your side or clearing your nose can help. Subscribe at Brain Bite 101 for more.